Let's start off with Kentucky Fried Robot. We haven't seen Kentucky Fried Robot in a while. Come on up. We may have a little audio problems here.
Okay.
Let's get better.
Hi, my name is Luca. And this is the KFC bot. This right here is a microcontroller. Right here is a SD card shield. This one right here is a Adafruit. That's a company. I forgot what the name of that card is. But sorry. These right here are little resistors. Right here is phone wire. This is wires. Who makes this right here? The breadboard is Arduino, and this are the wires. This is this is a battery pack right here, and I actually soldered all this. Under here, right here, is...
Turn it that way. Turn it that way.
This way?
No, you're...
Oh,
turn it that way.
Hello? Hello?
I think we lost audio.
Hello? 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 That is not funny. Hello? Okay.
Talk loud, Luke. You can talk
Okay. Right here is servos and from Parallax. That's the company right here. These are airplane wheels from a hobby shop in San Leandro. These are airplane wheels from a hobby shop in San Leandro. This is a speaker from Jam Coast. It's a little free one. And a salt shaker to protect it. Right here is a color changing LED. And right here are light sensors. And that's about it. Now I'm going to show. Oh, and this is Buzz Lightyear. It's separate, so I'm going to turn it on. Yes. And it's...
About the fair.
Oh. How long ago was that? And last summer at the Alameda County Fair, this I think won first place, and I talked about it, and the judges judged it. Oh, okay, it's still good.
Sure.
Okay. So, if it's gonna work, I have a little connection problem. It's supposed to follow the light, and this light is supposed to phase through colors. And actually, right now, I'm working on putting natural music on, so that's not gonna work right now. And that's it.
Turn the wheel a little bit. It might be... There you go. Oh, nice.
It might also be saturated on the ambient light. Those flashlights might just not be enough.
Oh, come on. That's rude. Yeah, give me a jacket. Here.
Yeah, there we go. That's actually... Take it off. Take it all off.
Here we go.
I don't think it's the light. I think it's my connection problem.
The connection on the servo.
Yeah, shake it. That always helps. It works for me. It works for me. It always works for me.
Don't press the reset button right now.
Wouldn't be first person that fail at the demo.
We usually blame batteries.
Blame the batteries. Say it's the batteries.
Change them on the
It's the
way.
batteries, everybody.
I just changed them on the way down here.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see, who's next? You want to come next? There you go. This is the Quadcopter. This is really cool.
Hello? Hi. This is a quadcopter. I came here a couple of months ago and I displayed this in front of you all. Unfortunately, it doesn't currently work, but I hope to get it working by the summer. So what we were doing for the last couple of months since I came back here, we did the power connections. But then we figured out there was some sort of short in the ESCs, so then we had to redo them, and we're gonna in place. We're gonna switch the power box system with bullet connector cables, and we also did some more board connections, and then we also did some research and looked for open source code for the quadcopter and uploaded it, and then we also connected the receiver to the transmitter, and that's pretty much it. That's what we've been doing for the last couple of months, and hopefully we'll get it up and running by this summer. So.
Very good.
This is my robot, and I programmed the legs, the arms, and the head on it. So today I'm going to present the head. Okay. So the ultrasonic sensor the ultrasonic sensor sees an object 65 centimeters, it'll try to follow it. So then if it's too close to the object, which is 25 centimeters, it'll stop and turn around.
Excellent. Who's next? I've lost audio again. Who's next? Lost audio. Camp? Hey.
Okay, so the really big news is that Nito has released their new robot, the BotVat. You can applaud. Basically, it's all about the vacuuming as far as features are concerned. Relative to our original, the XV line, I would say that this is superior suction. It's a bigger dust bin. Has a side brush, wider, cargo base, says Tim Craig. Wider brush, it's asymmetrical too. It's further to the right, but I know what you folks came for. You came for the demo. So here it is, the Table Bot Challenge with a bot pack. Oh, this is our new base too. Actually, I'm gonna put something on the table. See how it reacts.
Okay. Who's next?
No, who's next?
Sorry.
This is unrehearsed. You just get to the good part. All right, are you ready? I did not okay this with my boss. I won't even look.
Hey, Tim, look, vacuuming is great, but what we wonder about the club is hackability.
Okay, good question, Tony. It's basically, the good news is that it's the same API as the original XV. And seeing as this guy's coming at it at about $500, now you can get these refurbished for less than $200. So I told you I would make this into a sales pitch, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yes, you can get refurbished XVs for less than $200 now. Anybody wants to know how much is the laser distance sensor? It's $200. It's actually one of the best ROS platforms. They make a Nito node, and I think everybody knows Loco Mode's smart cable here. We have 2 demos in one. Dun, 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 dun. What could possibly go wrong? Is he going to push it off the table? So it's making a map. It's really dodgy because it's wide open. And I got some springs here. Wayne, you have a light? Now my time's up, right?
You're getting close.
Okay. All right, folks, that's about it. We'll let the robot finish cleaning the table. They're coming in at 500 for the base model. These will be available middle of April. Yeah, you can give them a attachment turn. Thanks for asking, Anthony. I appreciate that. See you later. Thank you very much.
Okay. I don't know if you don't have the picture up yet. Let's get some help here bringing the picture up. Who's next? Oh, this side.
Okay, so this is my only robot that they keep improving all the time. So it was participating in the robo games last year and adding stuff and upgrading. Last month I upgraded this part of the robot to Ubuntu 12.04, and this part is still running Ubuntu 10.04 and ROS Web. That still all works. And the last addition was a pair of webcams. And yeah, I wanted to see if ROS will actually work with that, and I added all nodes. And I was surprised that it actually works. So let's see if we can So this is a 3D point cloud that is produced from these two webcams. Seems to be pretty decent, so hopefully I will be able to use that to attach more ROS functionality to that. Okay, that's what I wanted to show. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, I've got a little bouncing robot I've been working on for a while. Here it goes. Yeah, doing pretty well. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to do with the lighting conditions in here. The encoders on the wheel is going to be a bit sensitive, but it's got a few tricks. I think the encoders are off. This is probably not going to go well. But it does pretty well. It's missing some counts, so it's going too far, but does pretty well. You can drop waypoints for it. It's got a web camera on it. Got a mapping interface that you can't see because it's on my laptop, but it does pretty well. Well, let me see, it's got one other trick too. Yeah, I can kind of track colors around. So now I've got a key in on the post-it notes, hopefully it will. Nope, not going. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Just stuff I wrote. I don't know, no real libraries. Just stuff I wrote, some GLSL shaders and C. So.
Same for the mapping, did you write that?
Yeah, I wrote pretty much everything on here. So I don't know. Maybe I'll get it going better a little later. Yeah. Shut up, but.
Okay, who's next? Are we here? Here. Cool.
Hello everyone. So basically here I have a little RC airplane, and basically it's a plane built of boards of foam, and it's reinforced by carbon fiber on the bottom, and it has wood supports dowels across the sides and on the rudder and the tail, and that's basically its support. And it has a couple servos for ailerons, rudder, and the tail. And basically, the plant. So basically, the current project is basically to make an autonomous landing system. So I need to put like an autopilot or a flight controller of that sort on the CG, which is approximately like in this little orange strip area over here. And I can use like an ultrasonic. I'm planning on using an ultrasonic sensor and infrared sensor to basically just when it notices, or an accelerometer to notice like if it's descending or going down altitude, or it notices that the distance from the ground is decreasing, it'll just automatically level out and try to land by itself. So that's the current project that I'm working on, and this is just the current form of it right now without an autopilot or sort. So that's basically my, it's called a Modi Fly, by the way. So this is the Modi Fly as it is right now. Yeah.
Yeah. Is that so for autonomous landing? So it's hand launch?
Yeah, it's a hand launch right now. Yeah, but yeah, it's mainly a hand launch. There's no like bungee or there's no like landing.
Is that a weight to notice that?
No, this is the motor.
Okay.
Yeah, I just didn't attach it.
So eventually it's going to be an electric
Yeah, it's already an electric, like plane that you can fly and everything, but I just want to make an autonomous landing system, and hopefully I can make it like completely autonomous.
So did you design the whole thing yourself?
No, actually it was a book called Modifly,
Oh,
and like there were instructions and stuff, and you basically just buy like a board of foam.
But you did the airfoil there.
The airfoil, well, it's not really a special design to the airfoil. Well, I kind of made it thinner on the back, but it's basically just like a flat plate airfoil.
Okay.
But it flies pretty well since it's very light and there's not that many factors affecting its flight.
You have trim?
Oh yeah, there's strips as well.
We will break for 5 minutes for setup for our speaker, and then come on back and we'll get done talking. Thank you very much.